officially on the road, and in a short 5 hours, we will be there. I think everyone's brought their positive attitude so far, so that's good. And now we just gotta see if we can hold on to them for 5 hours. So how's the trip going so far?
So far, so great. We did make our first RV wrong turn. We got on 285 going the wrong direction, which for anybody outside the metro Atlanta area, it's a circle, so it can be confusing for me. But luckily, it went about as smooth as possible. We were able to take our 32-foot RV and basically
do a U-turn.
Yeah, do a U-turn that merged 4 lanes without any major incidents. So we're good. And the fairy used her magic necklace to fly around and help hungry foxes get food. Popcorn Mom.
And when those foxes were extra hungry, they would eat little children. Popcorn Sawyer.
And she could use her magical necklace for anything she wants. Popcorn David.
Ourselves out in the reflection. Looking good.
How do you feel since we made the trade-off, Mom?
Good. Now you get to be in charge of the kids. That's what the world needs. A little more David Sullivan singing.
Straighten the curves. Fritz just fell asleep for the first time this whole trip.
Woohoo! Got him! Only took 4.5 hours.
Mom is awake for the first time all trip.
Yeah, right. After an over 5-hour-long drive, we finally made it to the campground, and the first thing we did after setting up was stretch our legs. The Spanish moss in this area was absolutely gorgeous, and Sawyer was convinced that this was the home of fairies and that it was magical. After some quick exploring around the campground, we decided it was time for a quick dinner so that we could head to the beach. Guys ready? Got here, we set up our campsite, we made dinner, went for a little walk around the campground, and now we made our way to the beach and we just plan to enjoy it for as long as we can. Is that your trick for the day? What's been your favorite part of the day?
My favorite part of the day has been hanging with some fam at the beach.
I know, it's been good. Mwah.
Not too much, don't watch. If you know for long enough, it'll walk away.
What is
Or if
it?
you see it's a crab.
It's a crab? Give it to me. I want to hold it.
Hold it, yeah.
Hermit crab. How cool is that? After this hermit crab discovery, Sawyer and I decided to build a hermit crab fortress. Unfortunately, with little brothers around though, the first one didn't work out. Well, in one fell swoop, we ruined it all. Gotta start over. But that's okay, right, Chica? What are we gonna do this time? Let's have a plan. You wanna do the same thing?
Yeah,
So-
make a huge good one.
A huge good one? Okay. Okay guys, so we regrouped, we built a better moat, and we built a better sandcastle. Let's check it out. Who's this home for, Sawyer? Our hermit crabs. Don't worry guys, we'll make sure to get these back in the ocean before we leave.
No one?
And just before sunset, we started heading home. Join us next week as we go on a mission to find a new tire for the kids' pull-behind trailer. Because when we wake up, it's got a flat.